Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha if it is your first time here. And today's video is my quick, out the door, 10-minute makeup routine. This is for like if you wake up late, if you get called out to do something last minute, or if you're just being lazy and you want to throw something on really quick and look presentable makeup look. So if you're interested in this video, just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, if I'm like in a hurry and I'm getting ready, I like to add a primer like this. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is just like a nice glowy primer. It's going to add a little bit of hydration to your skin, but give it like a nice luminosity, which I feel like when you're doing minimal makeup, the like glowier and hydrated your skin looks, the better. So I just put that on real quick. Get that all over my skin, drag some onto my neck as well. Okay, and then next thing I do is I'm not going to add a foundation because who has time for that? Not me. I'm going to go in and just spot conceal. I'm going to use my trusty Becca Aqua Luminous. I really like this one for makeup looks like this because it is a lower coverage. It blends out really fast and you don't really have to set it. And I kind of just spot conceal over my face so I have like that little blemish there. I like to add just like a little bit right in here and like that. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe Wine 9 brush and it just blends out so nice and kind of just evens out my skin tone and adds like just, you know, a nice tiny bit of coverage where I feel like I need it. Boom. I'm going to take that same concealer and go under my eyes, except for I'm going to use my finger to kind of blend it out just because it works faster, I feel. So go in with my finger and just blend it out. Get a little bit closer here. And if you want to do the edges with the brush real quick, just hit the edges. The thing I really love about this concealer is that throughout the day, if it does crease up a tiny bit, you literally can just take your finger and blend it back out. It just makes it so easy and so convenient. Plus it's hydrating under my eyes. Like, I mean, I've said everything about this concealer already. It is my favorite for a reason, but for days like this where I'm like in a rush and I don't have that much time to like perfect everything, this concealer is perfect. Okay, so I'm primed and I'm spot concealed. Pretty good so far. I feel like we're making good time. So next thing I do is I go in and I add just a tiny bit of bronzer on my cheekbones just to add a little bit of definition and a little bit of warmth to wake my face up so it doesn't look super flat, super one-dimensional. And I'm going to go in with this Thrive Cosmetics Sun Chaser Blur and Sculpt Bronzing Powder in the shade Rhea. This is like a nice cool toned, not fully cool toned, a little bit warm bronzer that I like to add just to add warmth. It's matte bronzer. It doesn't have any shimmer or anything in it. And I really am just doing a little bit. I'm not doing a straight contour here. I'm not going in for like the full bronze. I just want to add a little bit of color back into my face and just a little bit of shape. And this is a Sephora Pro Precision, oh my god, I can't talk. Sephora Pro Precision Powder Brush. Damn, say that 5 times fast. Seriously. It's a little bit on the forehead. Tiny bit on the jawline. And then take whatever is remaining over the nose just to circle it all back, add the warmth into the middle of your face. So you can tell that that just added nice kind of shaping to my face, brought some like color and some warmth back into my skin. I am the frizzy hair queen. Okay, moving on. Next thing I do is I do add some blush just for the same kind of reasons. I want to add just a little bit of color to my face, waking it back up. So I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Pressed Powder Cheek in Frisky Business. This is in their Peach collection, and this is just a really nice medium toned matte peach blush. And I'm going to add that right across the cheeks. Right on the cheeks and just a little bit up the temple. Okay, and then I'm not going to go in and add a highlight because I put that shimmery primer on. I feel like it adds a nice glow to my skin overall. But what I am going to do is add, so this right here is the, I need to like talk about it more before I can really explain it. This is the Bare Minerals Endless Glow Highlighter, but it's in the shade Joy. So obviously this does not work with my skin tone as just a traditional highlight. What I like to do with this is go in with a duo fiber brush and add this over my blush as like a blush topper. And that just adds like a nice sheen to my face, plus just like a little bit of glow highlight, if you want to call it that. But I just like to add a little bit of sheen to the skin, and I just think this is a really beautiful product for that. And with the duo fiber brush, you're not picking up as much product, and it's not placing it down as thick as a regular highlighting brush would. So just a nice, even, glowy complexion. So pretty much for the face, we're done. At this point, I go ahead and I set my face. I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Dewy Setting Spray. And just let that dry. And then I go in and I do my brows. I don't know if you noticed, I didn't have my brows on today. So first thing first, I brush them up, get them how I want them. Now I have a pretty good brow without makeup on. It is a little bare in some spots, but I have a pretty nice shape and some definition. So for me, I don't need to do like a whole lot on a natural day like this. I like going in with a product like this. This is the Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Brow Gel. So this is a tinted brow gel. And what this does is just kind of like thickens up the brows slightly and adds some color to them, which makes them look more defined. So I like to go in with this and just do like 1 or 2 coats through each one of the brows and call it good for my brows on a day where I'm in a hurry. Like, I don't have time to do 20-minute brows when I'm in a rush, you know? So I'm just going to go in and run this through real quick. And if you get a little bit on your skin, like you're in a hurry, don't worry about it. Let it dry completely and it'll flake right off, just like mascara will. So you can see this brow here, I have that brow gel on, and this one I don't. It doesn't do a whole lot, but it just adds enough, I think. Right into the other side. Okay, and then on top of that, this is a total like extra step. Like, you don't need to do this, but because my brow hairs are a little bit longer, I like to give them a little bit of extra hold to stay up. So I just go right over that with a clear brow gel, just mainly to get my brows to stay up. Okay, so brows are done. Face is done. If you're a type of person that's like, I need just a tiny bit of eyeshadow, what I recommend doing is going into the bronzer that you used on your face, putting a little bit on just like a crease brush, throwing it in there, and then taking your blush and doing the exact same thing, because it'll all tie together and it'll all meld together because you're using the same products. Plus, with your bronzer, it's just quick. You know what you're doing with that. So at this point is where you throw on mascara if you want to throw on mascara. I go so back and forth. I really go without mascara a lot of days if I'm doing just like a natural little quick glam like this. I'll go without mascara. I'll curl my lashes and I'll call it a day because I don't know, I feel like I don't always need mascara, and sometimes like I take a long time with my mascara. I am gonna curl my lashes though, so. Just give them a nice curl. Put mascara on if you want mascara. Like I said, some days I do it, some days I don't. But if I'm going to be honest, usually if I'm in a hurry, I'm not going to put mascara on because I feel like this is fine. Next thing we're going to do now is the lips. So something I love on like quick days is a tinted lip balm because it's moisturizing my lips and it's adding a little bit of color. And I really like these ones from Physicians Formula. These are the Physicians, God, I cannot say my piece today. That's so weird. Physicians Formula Marumu Butter Lip Balms. These are like a tinted lip balm. They have a bunch of different colors. They have nudes. They have reds. I think today I'm going to go in with the shade, I'm going to use the shade Samba Red. This is a super pigmented, super soft, super moisturizing lip balm. They have like a nice tropical scent to them. And literally, I mean, look at that. That's a lip balm. I like to take my finger and just kind of get it in there. Like, look at that. That's insane for a tinted lip balm. I hardly had to use any, and I just kind of rubbed my lips together, gave it like a really nice rosy flush. And I don't know about you, but I feel like a red lip instantly dresses up anything. Like, you can have a completely bare face and a red lip, and I think that you're completely put together. Like, a red lip just does it for me. And that's it. I feel like I am ready. I feel like I look presentable to if I have to go do something. If you get called into work really late, like that totally happens when I worked a server job. Sometimes you'd get called in like 30 minutes before a shift. And if you weren't doing anything all day and then you get called in, you're like, I look like a troll. And now I have to go to work. Like, what am I supposed to do? Quick, fun, easy. Works for me. Like I said, throw mascara on if you want mascara. Do more if you want to do more. This is literally just what I do if I'm in a hurry or if I'm just being lazy and I want to throw myself together real quick. And I think it looks really pretty. It looks really natural. It just adds like a nice glow to your face, a nice evenness to your skin tone. And I don't know about you, but like I feel confident without my makeup on, but I feel more confident when I'm just a little bit put together. So this is this. I hope that you liked this look. Let me know your favorite like quick makeup looks, tips and tricks and stuff like that in the comments down below. Let me know if you liked this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I will list them on the screen all over the place. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!